Good morning. This is Sam Marlowe with the National Weather Service in Atlanta, here in Peachtree City, Georgia. This is your weekly weather briefing starting today, Thursday, July 13th of 2023, and we'll cover through Wednesday of next week. The week ahead will be in line with our typical summertime pattern. Scattered thunderstorms each afternoon and evening, with some increased coverage on Saturday into Sunday morning due to an approaching and stalling cold front. A few storms each afternoon may become strong to marginally severe with localized gusty winds, frequent lightning, and heavy rainfall. The general 7-day precipitation accumulation totals will range from around 0.25 to 1.5 inches. However, locally higher amounts are likely. Temperatures will remain seasonable through the weekend before warming up through next week. Highs in the upper 80s to mid-90s can be expected alongside lows in the 70s. Here is a look at our current conditions. Most of Georgia remains clear and dry, except for a few scattered clouds and small showers located over Emmanuel County at the time of this recording. Winds are light from the west at 5 to 10 miles per hour and will slowly drift to the southwest through the afternoon. Relative humidity values will decrease through the day from about 80% to about 60% as we warm up. However, those southwesterly winds will begin to bring Gulf moisture northward into our area once again through the weekend. Parts of far north Georgia are currently in a marginal risk for severe weather for this afternoon and evening. This is a level 1 of 5. The main hazards include gusty winds, locally heavy rainfall, and frequent lightning. Much of our area is also within a marginal excessive rainfall outlook. This is due to the potential for an isolated shower or thunderstorm to produce locally heavy rainfall. Hazards associated with this will mostly be ponding on roadways. However, minor flash flooding is also possible. Here is a look at our temperatures and precipitation probabilities for the day. Parts of east central Georgia will reach into the mid-90s with cooler temperatures to the north and west. Precipitation will be most likely for north and west Georgia this afternoon and evening, helping to dampen some of that heat. Looking at tomorrow's forecast, southwesterly flow will bring very moist air into Georgia, helping to drive those showers and thunderstorms through the afternoon and into the evening. On Saturday, a cold front will begin to make its way across the southeast, triggering showers and thunderstorms in the moist Gulf air ahead of it. This will be the greatest chance for showers and thunderstorms in the forecast period, particularly Saturday afternoon and evening. Moving into Sunday, the frontal system begins to stall as it enters North Georgia. Afternoon showers and thunderstorms will continue to be expected across north and central Georgia. By Monday, the frontal system has stalled out. The exact location of the front at this time remains uncertain. However, it will likely be somewhere across South Tennessee and far north Georgia. Here is yet another look at those precipitation chances through the weekend, with afternoon and evening showers and thunderstorms. The approaching cold front on Saturday will help to increase storm coverage, particularly in far north Georgia. Once again, a few thunderstorms may become strong with gusty winds, frequent lightning, and locally heavy rainfall. The stalled front is expected to continue to sit somewhere across North Georgia through Tuesday and Wednesday. This means afternoon showers and thunderstorms will continue across central Georgia, and slightly drier conditions are possible for much of North Georgia. There is some uncertainty as to exactly where the front will stall out and how dry conditions may become. Some movement in the front is possible, therefore it is safe to assume that some showers or thunderstorms will also be possible across North Georgia. Through the next week, temperatures will remain mostly seasonable to slightly above normal, with highs in the upper 80s to mid-90s and lows in the 70s. Things begin to warm up through mid-next week as highs reach into the mid to upper 90s for east central Georgia. Here is the 7-day total precipitation accumulations. Generally, 0.25 to 1.5 inches are expected over the next 7 days. However, locally higher amounts are likely due to the scattered and convective nature of afternoon thunderstorms. In summary, the next week will be stormy with scattered showers and thunderstorms each afternoon and evening. A few storms may become strong with localized gusty winds, frequent lightning, and heavy rainfall. General 7-day precipitation totals of 0.25 to 1.5 inches can be expected with locally higher amounts likely. Temperatures will remain seasonable to slightly above average, with highs in the upper 80s to mid-90s and lows in the 70s. That's it for this week's weekly weather briefing. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to reach out to us through social media, our website, by phone at 770-486-1133, or our email sr-ffc.webmaster@noaa.gov. As always, stay safe and have a wonderful weekend.